lately I feel like I've hit a bit of a wall with my landscapes, and okay, so this is an appropriation from a Dali artwork, my only one that, yep. I like it enough to make a digital version. I'm definitely gonna put pears in my next digital artwork. These look fucking hectic. Look at this. Oh my god, I always look at this thinking like, I'm never gonna need this. Actually, that one's a bit gross. Maybe this one. This is perfect. His photos are absolutely perfect, and I haven't had an opportunity to use these before. Damn.
Get behind our team. Here is the new season.
Make it super rough. Can't quite get this one right. Oh, I left myself a note last night. Okay, so the pear artwork that's inspired this one, I don't like those pears. I want to use this pear because I polished this pear up a lot. All these over. Oh fuck, auto select is on. I fucking hate auto select. Sorry, I know everyone loves auto select. Okay, here we go. Trying again. Oh, it's not visible. Okay. And then have like another one. Look at this, look at this, look at this. And then this guy is gonna be like, exit. Bam, gone. I'm thinking just make all the clouds green. That one should be green. Hey, dude. Hey, oh, fucking auto select. All right. Here we go. Now I can take my notes away. Oops. I entirely forgot that this needs to be round, not flat. No. I'm gonna redo that. I want a tree, and I want cloud leaves. Ah, this reminds me of an artwork that I did ages ago. Maybe I've done this before. Okay, so I've decided like the idea here is that the clouds are the leaves, but that makes putting a leaf in here pretty complicated, even though it was the idea from the start. So I think I'm just gonna like, I need to warp this. I mean, no, I do. Okay, I'll try this. 200. Oh, all right then. Pull this one out a bit. Whoa, look at me! Look at me! Let it go. Alright, shadow time. Minus 17. I can work with that. There we go. Yeah. Paintings are always better though. Okay, now that you guys saw that artwork, click to subscribe. But actually, to be honest, I would prefer if you just told someone about it. Or sign up to my newsletter.